Hello everyone. Today I am going to speak on anemia. So this is becoming one of the invisible disease nowadays. Many people do not have idea they are victim of this anemia. First of all, let me tell you what is this anemia. Anemia is nothing but whenever RBC count is less, we call it as anemia. In simple words, wherever there is a deficiency of iron, that's called as anemia. What should be the hemoglobin percentage? For men it is minimum 12 and maximum 18. In between they should have desirable hemoglobin. And in the same way for women minimum 11 and maximum 16. In between they need to maintain a good hemoglobin percentage. So most of the time we don't go for doctor and we don't go for checkups. Whenever you find such symptoms, then you please go and check your blood percentage, hemoglobin percentage. Then if you are a victim of this anemia, if you fall under the case of anemia, please do take care. And if the condition is very serious, generally doctors will prescribe tablets and powerful injections also there. And if it is okay, naturally you can just get remedy by taking natural foods, good food, a proper diet. With this you can just overcome it. So why do you get this anemia? Two reasons are there. One is heredity. Another one is just simple, that is lack of balanced diet. These are the main two reasons for this anemia. And what are the symptoms you will find when you fall into this anemia category? The main thing is body pain. Body pain you will get a lot, and tiredness, lot of tiredness, feeling sick and breathless. While taking breath you feel very uneasy and uncomfortable, and also hair fall you may find. So these are the main symptoms of this anemia. So whenever you find anemia, please go ahead, take care of good food. Food, three kinds of diet you have to take. One is iron, second one is folic acid, and B12. These are the main three items you have to take care. Iron, first one. So where do we get this iron? Plenty of iron is available in some of the dals and also leafy vegetables like spinach, mint, curry leaves, and also fenugreek and drumstick leaves also. These are the leafy vegetables which is having plenty of iron. And grains like tuar dal and red gram dal, lobia and green gram and arar dal, and all these dals it's having. Apart from this leafy vegetables and grains, you can take till sesame. Jaggery is having plenty of iron. So a groundnut you can take. Currants means kishmish, and black grapes, concurred grapes, and dates. So these are the items which are having plenty of iron. One is iron. The second one is folic acid. Folic acid is much available in some of the leafy vegetables, all leafy vegetables, grains, and green peas. Green peas is available in particular area, particular season. Green peas take it plenty, and beans and oranges. And B12, third one. B12 is plenty available. It is in milk, curd, cheese. These are the vegetable items. Vegetarians can take these three. And doctors will prescribe to the non-vegetarians like fish, egg and liver something. But don't take non-veg, it is not good for health. You can just go for milk, curd and cheese. And if you want substitute, you can get some tablets and injections also for this B12. So three kinds of food you need to be very careful. One is iron, folic acid and B12. These three things, if you take it, you will not have anemia at all. So take care of this. And this description box, I am giving you entire list of the food once again. Just get rid of this anemia whenever you find tired. Please go ahead, and hair fall and body pains, all these are the symptoms of this deficiency of iron, and you are under the category of anemia. Once upon a time I fell down in this anemia category. Then later I just recognized, and I just recovered myself with food and proper diet. So hope you will not be in this category. So take care of your health. Remember, my dear friends, wealth and health, which is much important. Always give the preference to the health. If health is gone, it's very difficult to recover. Wealth we can. So health is wealth. Take care of your health and do share this video with everyone. So keep smiling, keep shining. Good luck.